We have a Star Wars Spring Digital Mystery Box for you guys. It has 4 image sets and a font in it. It's $29.99 and it is available in the USA and Canada. So thank you, Cricut, for sending this to me and allowing me access so that I could show it to all of my group members. Guys, you're going to love these image sets. So make sure you're jumping over there and grabbing this. Access will apply to applicable items only. The group discount is not available on digital items, but if you add some things to your cart, try that group discount code CraftHappy and get your discounts on those eligible items. So let's take a look. Once you purchased your mystery box, you'll have instant access to your images and your font. I just want to show you that in your font, when you're searching, for your font, if you come over here and you start searching and you start with star and search it, if you have your only current fonts marked, it's not going to pop up in there. So make sure you're unmarking that so that you can see your font and it will instantly be there. If you're not seeing it and you've done that, just close your design space and open it back up. It should be there. These images are my favorites. That's why they're on the screen. And we're going to pop over and take a look at the Star Wars. And I pulled them up again. I've been playing in here. This one is the Funny Printables, and it has 17 images in it. They are super, super cute. So make sure that you're taking a look at those. Love this one too. I like my coffee on the dark side. Love it. That would be so cute on a mug. You got it, guys. You got to grab this box. And let's go back over. There's 3 more cartridges, or I'm sorry, image sets. I will never get used to calling them image sets. But that was the Funny Printables right here. And then we have the Mini Me image set right here. Roar Like a Wookiee. Love that. The R2-D2 droids. I'm a Jedi like my father before me. So cute, Princess Leia. So that one is the Mini Me. 18 images on that one. Next we have the Child Mystics. 12 images on this one. Guys, this would be so cute foiled. Here's Grogu. Love that. And last but not least, let's go back and let's look for the Train Like a Rebel. I know it's in here somewhere. Let's see. There it is. So Train Like a Rebel right here. 31 images on this one, guys. Love this. Strong Force. 4 strong. I always say it backwards. Hero. True Jedi. Join the Resistance. Here's a Rebel. Love this one. Do or do not. Love it, love it, love it. I love this Jedi one too. Guys, go over and grab this box while it's available. Make sure that you are adding things to your cart. Take advantage of the group code CraftHappy. Thank you for shopping my links down below and supporting the group and the channel. Thank you, Cricut, for allowing me access to show these images to my members. You guys go grab that mystery box. I'll catch you on the next video. Happy crafting!